Today I'm reviewing the BONAJOUR Green Tea Water Bomb. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsor ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join Patreon community, or click on the link below. And thank you guys so much for clicking the links. It does make a huge difference. Really appreciate it. It's crazy how many emails I get from various brands. Today I got offered like $500 for 1 minute to advertise for something. And I'm like, can't do that. And then I got an ad for a dog toy, and I was like, oh my god, I need to sell out for this free dog toy. And I didn't sell out for the dog toy, but to be honest, that was the closest I've come to selling out all for Lincoln. And you know what? It's weird. All the stores, for some reason, are all out of dog toys. So there's like a serious shortage. I almost bit the bullet for the dog toy, for the dogs. But I didn't, because I'm not doing that. But that dog toy, I don't know why they're all sold out, but it's hard to find. Every time I come home from a store, if I have like a paper bag or a grocery bag or whatever, Ike is first thing nose into the bag to see if there's toys. And I haven't been able to find any good toys for him. So almost sold out for the free dog toy, but not the $500 ad for, I don't remember what it was for. Something that like they listed all the influencers that did like the 1 minute ad for him. And it was like everybody I've ever heard of. So everyone but me, I am opposed to making money, but I will take dog toys. Anyway, there we go. There's my total random comment for today. Okay, so now I'm starting the review. Sorry. Okay, so they call this a vegan-friendly cream that harnesses moisturizing and soothing properties of green tea along with the revitalizing power of peptides to improve skin elasticity. The hydrating formula is lightweight and absorbs quickly into skin, making it suitable to be used before makeup for better adhesion, free of artificial dyes, fragrance, alcohol, parabens, and silicone. Okay, so let's get to the first criteria, which is packaging. Love the packaging. It's easy to find on my countertop, which like 2 weeks ago I had it so pared down like I could actually use the countertop to set things down, and now it's back to being full. But this one's easy to find because it's green and it's a little bit taller than the rest of the things on it. So there we go. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, there are none of those. There's also no fragrance ingredients, no real scent to it. Makes it great for sensitive skin. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use. So this one's just got a wonderful gel texture to it. I absolutely adore the texture to this. I'm actually wearing this today. I applied my Piperitum Centella Unscented Serum, then my Vitamin C Serum from Regimen Lab, Vitamin X Serum. Then I applied this, and then my sunscreen. And this one layered well with everything. Absolutely love it. Smooths into skin wonderful. Sets to a natural finish. Plays well with other products. Somebody the other day asked me what that meant, and I mean, it doesn't pill under other products or pill products that are over it. It doesn't foam up. It just plays nicely. Plays well. Like Lincoln plays well with other dogs. He doesn't foam at the mouth. And he doesn't foam at the, whatever. There's some analogy there, but it was lost in my head. So, very easy to use. Also, I found sometimes I'll mix my retinol a little bit with it. It works nicely as that. Works great for summertime. I could say for my very dry skin, this probably during the very cold winter months won't be hydrating enough, but I could certainly layer this and will plan on layering this under other thicker moisturizers as another layer. So, very easy to use. In terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, so we've got green tea extract, obviously, antioxidant, skin soothing, hydrating, great ingredient for skin all the way around. We've got squalane, antioxidant, skin identical ingredient, hydrating ingredient, niacinamide, anti-acne, skin brightening, and barrier repairing, sodium hyaluronate, humectant, it's in everything. Polyglutamic acid, which is a amino acid and polymer humectant. We've got copper tripeptide, cell communicating ingredient, soothing ingredient, antioxidant. Then we've got 5 other peptides. They all have skin firming, protecting, and conditioning properties, antioxidant properties. Boab seed oil, emollient. It's also a good source of fatty acids and antioxidants. Lanolin, skin soothing ingredient. Licorice root, skin soothing, brightening ingredient. Panthenol, skin calming, soothing. Adenosine, cell communicating ingredient. Arginine, skin identical ingredient. And then vitamin E, antioxidant, and hydrating ingredient. So a very nice list. So peptides, if you saw my video about peptides the other day, peptides are very fussy what you use them with. If you use them on top of a product like vitamin C that has a really low pH, The peptides sometimes have a tendency to freak out or foam up and don't play well. If you wait a couple minutes in between, it's easier to layer them, but typically you're not supposed to use them that way, but copper peptides are the biggest pain. So honestly, I've given up trying to have a specific copper peptide product because of how fussy it is, but if it's in something like this, I'll still use it and layer it, but whatever, you're not supposed to. So, okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free as well as vegan, performance, wonderful moisturizer, especially for summer, hot and humid weather. Really works nicely under a lot of sunscreens, which is great. Like I said, probably going to be a bit too light for me for winter, but it can certainly be layered with other thicker products. In terms of acneogenic ingredients, we've got a few. We've got Squalane, Glyceryl, Stearate, Cetearyl alcohol, Carbonate, and vitamin E. So if you have very, very acne-prone skin, just be aware of that. Although I will say most of those products are towards the end of the ingredient list. I would say the texture of this and everything else does make it rather friendly for a lot of acne-prone or oily skin types. So if you have oilier skin, I know I don't typically review a ton of oily skin products. I need to do more of it because my skin is so dry, but this one is very friendly for that. The price of this one, so this is a full size 3.5 ounces, 100 milliliters. Typically retails for about $18, but if you watch it on certain sites, you can usually get it for like 12 or 13. Watch out for that. And then they also have their peptide product version of this, so I'm certainly going to be checking that one out. And their Bonajou Green Tea Water Bomb Toner, very wonderful too. I love the texture. This one's kind of a thicker toner, which I love. So it's got more of like a gelish, liquidy texture, which is everything I was hoping for and more. Then in terms of the it factor, really love it. Everything going for this. It's affordable, it's fragrance-free, it's cruelty-free. It's pretty friendly for most skin types. It's full of good ingredients. There is really nothing that I can't say good about this product. I'm really happy with it. So, and the toner also absolutely wonderful. There you go. So, with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 10. It's awesome. So, check it out if you haven't tried it yet. I have a feeling you'll like it too. So, anyway, leave your comments below on it if you've tried it or not. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.